KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, September 13th. I'm James Spann. Very hot, mostly dry weather today. Watching the tropical system getting much better clarity on that. Unfortunately, it looks like now Alabama will be on the dry side. Let's take a look at things this morning. There's the upper air look. We have a strong trough coming across the northern states. Ridging, holding here. And that's the reason it's been so hot, and that's the reason it will be hot today. 70s this morning, highs well up in the 90s, mid to upper 90s, much like yesterday. Watch warning map, pretty quiet around the nation this morning. Got a chance of severe storms for places like Detroit and Cleveland later today and tonight. And for us, showers this afternoon are possible, but they should be few and far between, much like yesterday. Tomorrow, note that marginal risk on the east coast of Florida with the tropical system. And on day 3, which is Sunday, again, a marginal risk for places like Jacksonville, Savannah, but Sunday for now out for Alabama looking dry. Speaking of dry, here's the rain for the next 7 days. And with the shift east in the track, you can see the big numbers are on the South Atlantic coast. Daytona Beach, Jacksonville, Savannah, Charleston, Wilmington. Alabama under a quarter of an inch. And this is the new Drought Monitor that came out yesterday. Still, most of the state not in drought conditions, but parts of the state are, especially the eastern counties. And obviously, with this setup here, that's not going to help things much. Here's the latest on the tropics here. This is potential tropical cyclone 9, which should become tropical storm Umberto. You can see convection beginning to increase near the center. Hurricane center track brings it up as a tropical storm, kind of hugging the east coast of Florida, and then moving back out into the Atlantic. And obviously on that track, that's no good for Alabama. Just a couple of days ago, looked like we could see some beneficial rain. Now we're dry. Models in very good agreement. The consistency is good. Forecast confidence is good. Forecast confidence yesterday was not good. But now we're getting much better agreement here. On the intensity side, most likely this day's a tropical storm. This is no Dorian, mainly a rainmaker for the southeast coast of the United States. So what else is going on out there? 2 waves, one in the eastern Atlantic, one between Africa and the Lesser Antilles. That the one that's out there about 35 west, that might become a tropical storm within 5 days, coming into the Caribbean now. From there, way too early to know if this affects the United States, recurves, the Gulf, just something to watch for now. Model fans, let's look at the GFS. The 06E run, 4 o'clock this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars. The wave action in the mid-latitude westerlies up north, the tropical action down south. We've got the ridge, mostly sunny and hot, mid to upper 90s, and mostly dry. Tomorrow we will mention a chance of scattered showers and storms, really with a surface boundary trying to drop in here from the north. The ridge weakens a bit, highs going back to about 90. And then this is Sunday. The tropical system Umberto should be near Jacksonville, east of here. We're on the dry side. So again, unfortunately, Sunday is looking pretty dry at this point for most of the state. Just a small chance of a shower. Highs around 90. And then next week, looking kind of dry. And with the increase in sunshine and the ridge kind of rebuilding in a northerly flow, that means highs should be pretty close to 90, maybe low 90s each day. Here's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Not looking good for rain. We're just, yesterday? We had a much different look. Let's go out a week from today. This is Friday the 20th. Cool trough in the northwest, ridging over much of the rest of the country. And again, that just looks dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 22nd. Not a lot of change in the pattern. Still got a broad ridge down here. This suggesting maybe a few scattered showers and some type of tropical low near Jamaica or south of Cuba. And of course, this is 10 days out, and obviously there's no skill in forecasting specific locations at this point. And boy, the rain numbers are coming way down on the GFS ensemble. The mean for Birmingham is now under really 0.6 of an inch, the green line, for the next 15 days. Heat levels, again, next week with the soil moisture depleted in many places. Don't be shocked if we see low 90s much of next week. I don't think we do mid 90s, but low 90s. And then, of course, numbers trail down as we get there into late September. Fall will get here. It's just taken a while this year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.